Welcome to 16118 Watson Court, Chino Hills. Open house this weekend in Chino Hills. Join us at 16118 Watson Court, Chino Hills for open house this weekend. 16118 Watson Court, Chino Hills, California. Saturday 1:30 to 3:30 p.m. Sunday 3:30 to 5:30 p.m. This home offers a great Chino Hills location in a gated community near Chino Hills High School, shops, restaurants, and daily conveniences. Property highlights: 4 beds, 3 baths. Approximately 1,923 square feet. Gated community, near Chino Hills High School. Built in 1998. Low property tax area. Call Sofia for showings.